The Korean alphabet, also known as Hangul or Hangul in South Korea, and Choosungul in North Korea. The use of Hangul met even more opposition and reforms under Japanese rule, but it eventually became the exclusive writing system in both North and South Korea. The Korean alphabet, or Hangul, consists of 40 letters, 24 basic letters, 14 consonants, 10 vowels, 16 complex letters, formed by combining the basic letters, 11 complex vowels and 5 double consonants. Korean syllables are formed by adding consonants and vowels together. For example, the word na or I is formed by adding the consonant n with the vowel a. Plus equals na. N plus a equals na. The noun particle noon, nen, is created by adding 2 consonants n with the vowel eu. Plus equals nen. N plus eu plus n equals noon. You can use the same logic to spell out your name using Korean letters. For example, Tom can be spelled as Tom. Plus equals Tom. T plus O plus M equals Tom. And you'd spell his last name as Kaluja. Plus equals Kaluja. K plus Lu plus J equals Kaluja. C plus Ru plus ISE equals Cruz.